Once it's primed, we apply the waterproofer applies the first coat. Part of this process is installing what we call the bandage into all your junctions. So that could be, in this case, we've got our floor to wall junction. In here, we've got a wall to wall junction. And up here on the shower niche, we've got an external corner to form the niche, then also some internal corners as well. Once the first coat's been applied, it's very important to make sure that it's dry. One of our inspections throughout this process is making sure that each coat or each stage of the waterproofing process is 100% dry before the next step can take place. The next step from here is the shower screed. So here we've got a shower rebate that's been formed inside the slab. If it's on a subfloor, it may be built into the floor joists and done with cement sheet. In this case though, it's a concrete rebate. The shower screed will go in here in the next couple of days. During the winter months, the shower screeds can take, sometimes a week to dry. In that case, we'll put heaters in the room to assist with that process.